Yeah, hey everyone, I'm back. It looks like I'm going to go to an episode 2. Anyhow, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give it a clean up and see, just check the floor and see if, the not the stringers themselves, well, the stringers are down the bottom, but check the floor to see if it's soft and stuff like that. I'm also going to throw a lot of crap out, and I'm going to do some initial blowing out of the inside of the boat. So let's get started. I don't think I need this anymore. I'm not sure if I need that. Wow, Stanley screwdriver. I've never bought a Stanley screwdriver, so I think that's my buddy. Benefits of owning a boat. Okay, first off, every time I come up here, I'm worried about this little platform. It gets further and further away. It's breaking up and stuff. Just any new platform, I need to get into that. Oh, look, we got a water connector for my cool my engine if I ever get to that point. Taking you with me because I think this is worth it. Alright, I'm going to start on this. Most of the stuff here is not usable. So, seven people or 1,050 pounds. Unless you get a 200 horsepower motor. Wow. Yeah. I got a 115, so I guess I'm at the 1,050 pound thing. 7 people into 1,050. What does that give you? 144 pounders. Well, I better get extremely lightweight people if I want to put 7 on here. Where am I going to put them anyhow? Oh yeah, I got this. I can stuff 6 in there and then I can be out here. Alright. Let me get started. I love the crunch. Alright, I'm pretty much going to throw everything I see out. This was protected, so I'm gonna have to come back with this because there's a lot of stuff in here that's good and brand new. Wow, now that is mine. I've been looking for that for a long time. So I must get on the boat with this at one point. Okay, the over here, I can feel it underneath. So, I got 2 things to do. I gotta get it out of here. I didn't realize it's open. seems to be moving. But now it's kind of like moving the other way. I think it's full now. See if I can help it along with the shovel. Where it's steep. Yeah, roaches. I got oil. Yeah. Oil. And the filler. Okay, watch out. You're getting better. Roaches don't like me quite so much. No ants so far. Usually what happens when there's an ant around, carpenter ants in particular. They're in your stringers. Alright, I know you want to see what I'm doing. Here's one of the fun things. See those guys right there? Those are holes. See what's coming out of them? Plants. Those are plants. I'll tell you what, I used to really like this boat. And there was all that fun stuff about it. Got a boat and stuff. It's got a little bit strange. I think I had two things happen. I had a real hard time getting in this boat when I first got it, and that meant I couldn't get over without being winded. It turned out I had a blocked artery. So fast forward, I got all that and I felt really great and all that stuff, and then I got a second cancer, and that ended up, so it ended up like 4 years of nothing almost immediately. Right now, we're going to need more than that. So, kind of put a damper on what I wanted to do. I'm closing this up so I can keep it a good blast up front. As far as the deck goes, this is feeling a little soft, but not the stringers, it's the floor. This is very solid. This really feels good. This will feel a little soft because it's the fuel tank. This is, it's not too bad actually. It's got a little bounce to it. I'm not sure if that's rot or not. That is rot. Right there. You can hear it. Hear it? That's the wood. Alright, so now I got an even bigger question. Should I even bother? I've got some big projects. You can see two of them right there. And if you look beyond, you see that deck up there? I'm half done with that deck. All the stairways got to be redone. And the deck below it, which has this damaged spot due to hurricane. This is right here, right here, that definitely has soft spots right there. You can see it flexing. Yeah. All right, let me keep blowing this off, and I got some thinking. I got a bad trailer. This doesn't look good. I've got soft spot on the deck, a really bad soft spot. I don't want to rebuild the boat. Well, I don't. There's a hole up there. Lots of roach poop. Yep. Well, it's actually eaten into the wood, so I have to replace the wood. There's a hole right there, which I didn't know I had. Yeah. I'm thinking based on this stuff, right there is really bad. I'm not going to section it out. I'm going to either fix it or get rid of it. I don't know anybody who wants a boat. I know people who want the motor. Yeah. I think I made my decision. I don't want to go out like that. Fix the twisted railings. Got to take out the floor now, and oh, this is bad too. Hear it? Yeah, I'm done. Sorry guys, this could have been a restoration video. Got other things to work on. Yeah, this is not good. Yeah, 7 people. I don't think so. Not this one. Sorry, boat. This ain't working. Wasn't meant to be. Alright. This is Dave from Saving Earth Sanctuary, and this is one thing I don't think I'm going to be doing. I'm out.